Hey there. Previously, we have talked about minor scales, and specifically, I've been saying the natural minor scale. Well, there are actually three flavors of minor. Sometimes they're called three different scales, but really they are all the minor scale, but sometimes we use different sides of it. So, right here, we have a D natural minor scale. The reason it's called the natural minor is because it is the relative minor. F is the major. You start and end on D, you get D natural minor. But there's another minor mode, and it's called harmonic minor. And the only difference is in harmonic minor, it's natural minor, but it's natural minor, and you raise 7. 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is natural. Here's natural. Here is now harmonic minor, which has a C sharp. Ooh, that sounds different. Has that cool interval right there. This interval from B flat to C sharp is what? Well, it's a second. This would be a major. This is an augmented second. That's what gives the harmonic minor its unique feeling. Also the fact that now we have a leading tone. We have a half step from T to Do. The reason they call it harmonic is because of the chords. Here are the chords. Here is the chord built on 5 in natural minor. It doesn't sound quite like we expected, and that's because that's using a C natural. If I use a C sharp, it sounds like this. Okay, now we have this sound, this T to Do sound. And that's what natural minor is. That's what harmonic minor is, which is simply natural minor with a raised 7. The other one, we have natural, we have harmonic, we have melodic. So what we have here is natural minor, in this case E natural minor. Melodic is natural minor, and you raise 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sounds like this. And then on the way down, when you play it descending, you actually just stay with natural minor most of the time. This is one of those kind of most of the time things. So it would actually sound like this. But we're just going to concern ourselves with the ascending, the going up melodic minor. Same as natural minor with a raised 6 and 7. Harmonic, you raise the 7. Melodic, you raise the 6 and 7. It gives it a little more momentum heading, up to the tonic. Okay. So, here we have F minor. If we want to make this F harmonic minor, what do? We raise scale degree 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's currently an E flat, so we make it an E natural. Wow, that's a nasty looking natural, but that's a natural, okay. And so now we get this. You don't hear this as much melodically. This is mostly to fit the chords or to make the chords sound right, whereas melodic is used more, well, in melodies. So here we have C sharp minor. Let's make C sharp melodic minor. Now remember, we're starting with a minor already. So as written here, this is natural minor. Make it melodic, you raise 6 and 7. 4, 5, 6 is a A natural, so we make it an A sharp, and 7 is a B natural. So what? No, that's right. Yeah, B sharp. But wait, why don't we just do a C? Well, because you can't have a C natural and a C sharp in the same scale. This is why we have things like B sharps, and they totally work. So here is C sharp melodic minor. Oops, that was wrong. Here we go. Okay, one more time, less bad. If you really want to get tricky, melodic minor, the first half is just your regular minor. The second half is actually from the C sharp major scale. Melodic minor is almost major. As a matter of fact, let's talk about that. Remember when you start with a major scale? When you start with a major scale, if you want to make it a natural minor, what do? Right, you lower 3, 6, and 7. Well, what if we want to make it harmonic minor? Well, harmonic is natural minor with a raised 7th, but this is major, so... Oh! If you're coming from major... Now, these are two different things, and I really don't want to confuse you, so pay attention to what's going on here. You will lower 3 and 6. You will leave 7 the way it is because that is already a leading tone. So 1, 2, 3 is a flat. 4, 5, 6 is a flat, and that is harmonic minor. Coming from major. To make a harmonic minor scale out of a major scale, you lower 3 and 6. Now, melodic, remember what I just said about melodic? It's kind of, the first half is minor and the second half is major. Well, that's exactly what's going on. All we do, if we're starting with a major scale, is we lower scale degree 3. We have a G major scale. We lower scale degree 3. The top half is still totally major, but just that one little thing makes it minor. Okay. So what scale degree is the most important as far as major and minor? It's that third scale degree. That's what makes it minor. So if you have a major scale, to make it natural minor, lower 3, 6, 7. Harmonic, lower 3, 6. Melodic, lower just 3. If you're starting out with a natural minor, which is the relative minor, to make it harmonic from natural, you just raise 7. Melodic minor, you just raise 6 and 7. Hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. Practice. Go online, use your resources, and practice, and you will totally get this. Have a great day.